John Holyvold is our guest, Director of Governmental Affairs for the Dairy Business Association here on Dairy Stream. And before we move off this subject, you did kind of give us a priority list. You mentioned that COVID will have to be addressed, the budget will have to be addressed, which both obviously affect the dairy industry. But is there any other legislative item, do you think, that'll be tackled early that those in dairy really should keep their ears and eyes open to?
Well, those are really the primary things that they'll be working on right out of the gate. I also expect that there's going to be a desire on the part of Republicans in the legislature to have a package of ideas that they can kind of come out with and hit the ground running with. That would make good political sense for them, but it's also an important thing to sort of start off strong, especially because as the legislative session sort of grinds on, things can lose momentum. So I would anticipate that some of those orphan bills, some other ideas that were out there from last session that just fell short at the end, or some things that maybe didn't even make it that far along, but they still would like to work on, we'll probably see sort of this burst of activity, but largely based on things that almost made it last time, that hopefully this time will get pushed over those.